Hi, I had to make this video about Doogee S60, which is an unbreakable phone made by Doogee. So basically, one of the things that not a lot of people mentions is how you open the back. So basically, they give you this with the phone, and then you open it up by turning this around and turning that around. And another thing that not a lot of people are mentioning is what kind of SIM card are you going to use and how you place it inside. So basically, this is where you can place your two SIMs, like here, from this side to inside, or from this side to inside. And nanosim will not work. You have to upgrade your nanosim to a microsim in order for this to work. So I had a nanosim before, so I wasn't able to fit it in. And then I had to purchase that thing that is around it to make it a microsim. That's how it works. And this is where the your memory card goes in. Not a lot of, actually nobody's mentioning those two. And another big thing that nobody's mentioning as well, I had a trouble with my Doogee on its charging abilities. So this charging unit wasn't working, and the main reason for that was when I was placing that charger inside, it didn't charge at all. So I wasn't able to use this phone for almost over a year. And then it was on the corner, I was asking everyone and nobody knew how to repair one of those. And then later on I found like some comments on a forum, and then someone said, just take this, put it inside this. This is where, as you can see, the charger unit is. Just try to push it a little bit to forward. So if you do that, voila, it charges again. So it's useless of me. I didn't use it for almost a year, but now you can use it. If you have the same problem, just insert this inside, just pull it a little bit into the front. Usually that's the problem. And on the other hand, you can also use the wireless charger, which is over here, but it's very slow. It's very slow to charge. So I hope this helps. Bye.